Good morning everyone, welcome back. Day 5, I think it's day 5. We live in Zadar. As you could see, it's amazing, it's beautiful. So we're heading down to Split now. Water is so crystal clear, such a beautiful place. Amazing. My mate is behind me. Listen to that bike, man. There's some sort of a castle or something there, like a bunker. So amazing. Oh man. Look at this mountain there. What a weird way of looking. What a weird forest. It's literally like a desert. This country. I'm not complaining, it's very, very beautiful, but it's weird because it's still in Europe. It's weird. It's actually a fire, wildfires. Everything is burned down. Look at this. It looks like this simply because it's burned down. Look at that forest. It's all gone, burned. Bloody hell, that must be horrible. And how beautiful this is. Ooh, even the smell in the air, the breathe, you can feel the burnt smell. Absolutely stunning place. This one as well, look at this. It's half burnt. Imagine the intensity and the strength of the fire. This is Primošten, below. Everywhere people in the beach, the water is such a crystal clear water. Bloody hell. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable how clear the water is. Haha. My battery is running low. I hope it's gonna catch this one. Just a little bay here. Look at this. Look at this. Bloody hell. Look at this monster. Yes, baby. Ay, ay, ay. We are at the seashore, literally at the edge. So after the barrier there is the sea. People paddleboarding, yachting. The airplane is coming to Split Airport over there. Don't know if you could see it. Absolutely stunning location. Okay, we are approaching Split, just before Split, and the scenery has changed. High mountains with the hills over there. It's unbelievable. It's amazing. Probably I said these words 10 times already, but I don't know if there is anything else that could describe this Croatia. Such a beautiful country. Woo-hoo-hoo! It's unbelievable, man. The city of Split looks like so much like communism, with all these flat buildings. I don't like it. Maybe it's good, city center, or maybe seaside is good, but here, no. But in general, same, clean and beautiful. Look how many flowers. It's good, still good. Unbelievable, stunning. 1 hour to Makarska, 45 kilometers. Everybody is looking at us from the beaches. I want to be on the beach as well now. It's too hot. I'm not complaining. It's better dry and hot than like the first couple of days, but oh, still the beach is the only remedy now. Can't wait to jump in the sea, and after that, cold beer. Well deserved cold beer for tourists. high mountain, below proper beach resort. Proper. Look at these palm trees as well. In all honesty, Croatia is a beautiful country, as I said many times. They don't have, at least what we so far what we saw, they don't have a sandy beach. Everything is pebbles and quite big rocks actually, but still they create paradise from what they've got, and they execute as much as possible from the land they were given by God, I assume. I don't know. Look at this. It's proper desert up there and desert here down here as well, but they made it absolutely brilliant. There's some sort of a castle or something there people visiting, and it seems like this is an old town with architecture, all stones and wooden window covers. So beautiful. That's why so much traffic here, because there's so many tourists and pedestrians as well crossing. Beautiful, man. Makarska. This is our destination for today. We are 1.2 kilometers away from the guest house. We haven't booked it yet. Hopefully they have a room. According to booking.com, they have a spare, they have a free rooms. So and then I wish and I'll probably go make my way to the beach. I don't know about my mate, but because he's not feeling really well, some back problems. We'll see. But the weather definitely deserves to treat ourselves with a beach. 350 meters. I need to turn, not this one, the next one. We're going up, green light for us, and then we are turning left, right here. Pretty Croatian girl. from the beach again. Day Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, day 5 today. I think it's 6th of August. We are in Makarska, and I came down to the beach because it was a long hot day, very hot day. So I just came to cool down a bit. My guy stays in the room because he has some back problems. He couldn't walk, and this place is quite downhill to get to the beach, so not possible for him. Now I'm gonna jump in the water, cool down, soak up some salt, and then just relax. I hope the sun will come up. It's hidden there behind the clouds. It's a really cool place. The beach is still full. It's 7:25 in the evening and the beach is still full. The water is so much more salty than what I'm used to in the Black Sea. So much. As soon as you dive, you feel on your eyes, pain in your mouth. But it's good. It's really nice. It's just lifting you up, like floating. It's so nice. Look at this nature. So amazing. And they have water slides there with the sun on the background. It's trying to shine. And it's getting deep really quick. I'm like 20 meters from the shore, and I can't reach the bottom anymore. It's going steep, but the water temperature is amazing, as well as the ambient temperature. So happy days. So tomorrow, actually today, we did 200 and about 30 kilometers. I don't know exactly how much, I need to check, and I'll put it on the screen. So we did that from Zadar to Makarska. We just checking in the room, in the guest house. Tomorrow the plan is to check out before 9:30 early in the morning and head south to Kotor in Montenegro. We will stop in Dubrovnik. So yeah, exciting day tomorrow. Stick with me for more. And you know, if you like this European road trip, just give me a like, help a lot. Give me subscribe, share with your friends so they can see it, they can help me as well, and press the subscribe button to help me with my confidence talking to the camera and talking to you. Thank you. Bye for now. See you tomorrow for another amazing day on the bike.